ratio. Before that, any one of you know about what is a ratio?
No.
Okay. Okay, I will give you one guess. Michelle wants to make orange squash juice for her diet. For every unit of orange squash requires 6 units of water. So we can say the ratio is 1 to 6. Now based on this case, can any one of you conclude what is a ratio?
Me.
Okay, Yuna?
Ratio is about proportion of something.
Okay, correct. So ratio is a numerical combination of two amounts. The order in which you write the amounts is very important. For example, if there is one teacher for every 25 students in a school, then the ratio of the teachers to students is 1 to 25. Ratios can be simplified by dividing both sides by the same number. Note the similarity to fractions. An alternative method for some purposes is to reduce to the form 1 to n or n to 1 by dividing both numbers by either the left hand side or LHS or the right hand side or RHS. Now here's some example from the ratio. The first is ratio 10 to 4. So first we can write it in a fractional form. 10 over 4. So next is dividing both number by the same number. For example is 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the simple ratio to 10 to 4 is 5 to 2. And the next example is ratio 18 to 24. So first we write it in a fractional form. 18 over 24. And then what's the number we can divide in both number?
6.
Okay, good. 6 over 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. And then 24 divided by 6 is 4. Oh, okay, good. So the last example is ratio between 150 to 600. Can any one of you come forward to solve it? Okay, Amel. Okay, thank you, Amel. Is it right, guys?
Right.
So, besides this example, do you understand about the ratio?
Understand.
Okay, good.
To make you guys excited, let's play game.
Yes.
So we will play first come first serve. I will ask question and you quickly answer question I give. First question: how much the ratio boys and girl in the class? Yes, Nanda?
Yes. 6 to 34.
Oh, okay. Next, how much of ratio student in the class who wear glasses to those who do?
Me.
Yes, Sylvie?
7 divided 33.
Yes, right. Next question. How much the ratio is between students sitting to right and my left? Yes?
19 over 21.
Oh yeah. Next, the hard game will more attractive places. Are you still excited?
Yes!
Please scan this code and join the games. Okay, let's start the games. Okay, the game finished. Congrats for top three. Please for top three come forward. Sylvie, Nada, Amel.
Here for you guys.
Thank
Okay.
Yes.
Fingers crossed.
What the conclusion about the lesson today? Yes, Amel?
Okay, so the conclusion for the lesson today is ratio is a numerical operation up to a mass, and ratio can be also written as fraction.
Oh. Okay, thank you, Amel. Before closing class today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much and see you next time.
See you. Thank you, Miss Teacher.
Georgia, write me up in all you heard. In my arms, let me hold ya. I'll never let you go again, like I did, or used to say I would.